So yes, the birds flew yesterday. Crappy quality on the video, but you get the gist of it. If I had a better quality video camera, probably would have been a bit better, but it's alright. So the birds are getting there. So the three that did over 2.5 was that. That one there. A Tomich Veso. And Easy Line Creation. Straight red. And that little tiny red small beard and hide in the other side. There you go, that little tiny one. Those three did over 2.5. They could have done way more, but I was throwing up birds because I didn't want them to get hawked. I wanted to see where they were because they went so high you couldn't even see them. Within the clouds, when the clouds left, they were still too high. So they came back, which is great. They probably would have easily done, who knows, I'm not even going to estimate. So imagine what they're going to do 6 months down the track. I'm not asking for much. I mean, if you really have time to stay for 7-8 hours and watch birds fly, like, it's a bit too long. But if I get them going 4, 5, it's good enough. Even 3, 3.5. Maybe when I'm a pensioner, different story. But yeah, they're definitely getting there. Like, it's a lot of time and patience. Birds get hawked, birds go missing, they get freaked. But that is what it is. The ones that come back and get used to it and learn to dodge the hawks or stay up really, really, really high, that's what they'll eventually have to do. When they stay up really, really high, it's a bit harder for the hawks, especially when they're as a group. They'll have to do it that way later on when they fly all together. Different story. The big fella over here had a good fly, landed straight down. I did have one land straight in the door after its flight. So hopefully eventually get 30 going up. Even if I get 15 flying amazing, and then the other 10 or 15 eventually get there as well. All on their own terms, I guess. But we'll try doing, like I separate them, we'll do males flying separately, hens flying separately. I've always had the hens flying better than the males, funny enough. But let's see this time. There's some good male flies definitely this time. But great hen ones. Like that little one. The red. We've got to separate the ones. Let the tide came back. Tippler did amazing. That Tippler did great. The chunkier one's gonna get there. He did okay. He's gonna get there.